Okay, so originally this was gonna be doing another FOMO video, a video of me FOMOing into something, into a project. But I have been scammed before, and this project that Michael Werbel covered in passing, he didn't do a lot on it. He just covered it. I looked into it, and I want to give a crowd. This is a shout out. This is I'm following these people. Senior Crypto. I'm gonna tag you in this video. If you guys want some free NFTs from our game project, I'll give your entire team some free NFTs for our game project. It's a game project that we're doing, a pay to earn project, okay? And we're legitimate, and I love the stuff that you guys are doing. We're not none, we're legitimate, okay? You're getting some free NFTs. Just message me back. If you want 10, you just say, hey, I want 10 free NFTs. You got for 10 free NFTs for our pay to earn game. Do whatever you want to do with them, however you want to do it. But yeah, they're right. As they had mentioned, I found them as I was doing some research on them. These photos are terrible. These photos are terrible. The website itself is beautiful. The idea that you have a marketplace that's cross-chain, I got excited. I almost threw my money and gave it to them. But what got me, like, what I had to pause really quick is the fact that this is how they're doing their funding. And we might do something similar, don't get me wrong, where you actually kind of pre-sale into the token. This is how they're doing their seed fund. I like this. I do like this idea. Too bad it looks like it's an absolute scam. A scam covered by Michael, okay? And he does good stuff. I like his content. But this looks like an actual legitimate scam. A legitimate scam. Their Twitter is really good. I mean, they had a really good white paper. I mean, it looked like a decent white paper. I like this. Like, this looks like a real project, you know? Ironically, their VLX token, though, is another token. I mean, this happens. There's only so many names you have, but it wasn't, like, supposed to be this one. And, you know, they have a roadmap and everything else. And ironically, I was going to make a video talking about me FOMOing into this project, but I did the search. Like, I can't find them on LinkedIn. You know what I mean? I cannot find these people at LinkedIn at all. I found some things about, let's see, look at this. I found this publication that doesn't even work. It's probably tracking me right now. I better close these windows. And the reason why I looked him up, because look at this. You know, you read this. He's got a career. This is one of the team members, apparently. He's got a career, okay, in this stuff. But even though he's got a career on blockchain, how come I can't find anything about this guy? So I go to all their Twitter profiles. And Glenn Garrison is awesome. Because this person started in 2018. So this is like an older account, and it's got tweets, it's got followers, all this stuff. But again, I can't find any information about this guy. All right. Again, she's a mom. I'd like to see some kids. Well, you know, she doesn't have to show her kids, but you know, there should be some information about these people, because if they're experts, right? Like, and look at the dates. Look at the dates here. 2018. That's pretty good. I get it. You're older. You didn't know what Twitter was. You're on it now. Fine. 2021. Okay. Yeah. You've just discovered Twitter. Okay, fine, sure. And 2021, but it's like, this is way too close to each other. These accounts are just way too close to each other. So, yeah. And then I went on the Twitter, and I just basically said this. And, you know, I'm looking for information. You know what's scary? Some people here have just, there's like some red flags already here. Some people are already giving them money. I'm trying to see if it's here. Like someone, I don't know if they deleted it or not, but I remember reading somewhere about, like, how long did you send? I got mine after a few days. No, maybe, no problem. Maybe 2 or 3 days ago. 2 or 3 days ago. This thing is built on Cardano, okay? Cardano may be terrible at a lot of things, like making money, but Cardano is not bad at transaction speed. So 2 or 3 days, that should not happen. All right, coming back to these amazing people, these superheroes, Senior Crypto. I'll have to investigate a little bit more. But right now, they get free NFTs for our gaming project. They get free CF NFTs if they want to. Like, here's the thing. They bring it up here. Look at this. Look at this whole thing. They register at Namecheap, and I'm bad at registering too. Don't get me wrong. But look, they're gonna expire. Their company's gonna expire soon, right? Like on the 18th or whatnot. And once this thing expires, the website's going to be done and gone. While people are potentially sending these money. I'm going to, as this looks like a scam, straight up scam, I'm going to send a tweet to Michael Werble, okay? I'm going to send a tweet to Army of Spies. I'm going to send a thank you tweet to Senior Crypto, who I'm following now. I don't know why. Why do these people not have more people following them? This is ridiculous. I mean, 2011 apparently they break up hackers. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, so I don't get to do a fun, exciting video. Oh, this is probably the next series of just sad videos. But either case, this looks like a scam. Please share this video, because this looks like this could be a good scam, and I think people are getting scammed right now. All right. And I hope that when we launch our project, or as we continue to develop our own projects, our own games and stuff, that we never look as bad as these people. Like, seriously. Hey, I get it. People got to make money and all sorts of stuff, but I don't want people necessarily to get their money stolen from them, because it's already happened to me once. I'm going to try to find a happy video at some point. I'm going to make a happy video. These have been just depressing. Anybody who's still subbed, thank you for subbing. Catch you in the next one. Bye.